So I was here today to talk about the National Audit Office's work on managing and improving business operations. We've been fortunate enough over the past 5 years to be able to go in and see how different businesses are getting on with trying to improve how they work, how they manage current business and improve their business. 4 things that really matter for organisations to get right: customer focus, understanding the end-to-end system, using information to trigger change in their business, and creating an environment where people can thrive and manage their operations well. But on top of that, it's important that they think about the whole management system. That's the organisational layer of the business, the operational services they deliver, and how they integrate together as one holistic system.
So my presentation today was talking about the change and the journey that Natural Resources Wales has been on. So it's kind of describing how the organisation was set up, the organisational structure that we put in place and the programme of work that we had to do, and then talked about what went well, what we managed to deliver, and also some of the learning points from it, what didn't go quite as well as we would have liked. So one key message that I think would be important for delegates to take away from this is never underestimate how the challenge is around engaging people in culture change, and the pace of change that might be delivered by external factors can really throw the engagement that you need to do with your staff, which is very, very hard, very, very, very hard, and takes a lot of time.
My presentation was all centred around previous experiences that I've had working in various different government departments over the last 8 to 10 years using continuous improvement techniques, and how I've taken that sort of experience, learnt lessons from it to create ways of working and ways of embedding continuous improvement working practices in the current organisation I'm working for. One key message is adapt to what your experiences are, learn from others, and don't be afraid to share your experiences. And if you can create that network, a supportive network of like-minded people who've got a vested interest in improving things, and act as a critical friend to them and receive that critical friend type feedback and share experiences and share learning, you can't go far wrong.